Daily action verb with sentences. Hide. Hide. He hid behind the tree. Find. Find. I found my lost key. Lose. Lose. Don't lose your phone again. Show. Show. She showed me her new dress. Choose. Choose. You can choose any color you like. Forget. Forget. Don't forget to call me. Remember. Remember. I remember my first day at school. Love. Love. They love their family very much. Hate. Hate. I hate waking up early. Like. Like. Do you like ice cream? Dislike. Dislike. He dislikes loud music. Need. Need. I need some water. Want. Want. She wants to be a doctor. Enjoy. Enjoy. We enjoyed the party last night. Prefer. Prefer. I prefer tea to coffee. Promise. Promise. He promised to help me. Decide. Decide. They decided to travel tomorrow. Agree. Agree. I agree with your idea. Refuse. Refuse. She refused to go with them. Hope. Hope. I hope you get well soon. Believe. Believe. I believe in hard work. Trust. Trust. You can trust me. Care. Care. She cares about her friends. Worry. Worry. Don't worry about it. Fear. Fear. He fears the dark. Win. Win. Our team won the game. Lose. Lose. They lost the match. Try. Try. Keep trying until you succeed. Begin. Begin. The class begins at 8 o'clock. Finish. Finish. We finished our homework. Speak. Speak. She can speak English very well. Talk. Talk. They talked for hours last night. Whisper. Whisper. He whispered a secret in my ear. Yell. Yell. Don't yell at your friends. Ask. Ask. I want to ask you a question. Answer. Answer. Please answer the phone. Tell. Tell. She told me a funny story.